everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to play Sausage Man as a guest. So if you are looking for a way to play Sausage Man as a guest without having to log into your account, then the first thing you want to do is to open Sausage Man application on your Android or iOS device. Once you're inside this lobby screen or the sign-in screen, simply go to the bottom right and look for this guest option and click on it. Once you click on guest, you will be able to play as a guest. It lets you jump into the game without creating or signing into an account. And that's it. Now you can go ahead and create a character for yourself, personalize your character's hair color, your character's gender, and things like that. You can also choose the face type, click next, choose a name for yourself, and click on create, and you'll be able to play the game as a guest. So that's it. You've successfully started playing Sausage Man as a guest. Keep in mind that the guest accounts may have limited features and your progress could be lost if you uninstall the game or switch devices. To keep your progress safe, you should consider linking your account to a supported login method later. So that is how you can easily play Sausage Man as a guest. You can go ahead and go through the tutorial next and you'll be able to learn how you can easily play the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.